Okay, we back at it. Alright, basically, I did the fuel injector, cam sensor wire harness. I did the fuel rail, the fuel line, put it over there. Hold on before you brake, before you start letting out antifreeze and stuff on the ground. Get the ground wet and all of that. Took off the alternator, took off the coil pack, all to get to the exhaust manifold bolts. Okay, now, remember telling you guys that he just had the motor put in about a week ago. Man, them bolts is a bitch. So, this is what I did. Different ways to skin a cat, different strokes for different folks. This is what you're gonna need. 1/2 inch, 15-inch socket, universal. Now, I say this setup because if you short extensions in between that, try to build it up, it's going to, the flare part of each short extension is going to be in the way when you transitioning up. So, you get it on there snug, get it on there with a good grip. Also, you can get a nice sweeping motion. Let me see if I can set this up somewhere so I can show y'all basically what I'm talking about. Okay, so it's basically gonna be on there like that. So it's gonna come at an angle like such, like that, with your breaker bar on it. So what you're gonna do is put a hand here, grab the back part, of course with a cheetah, breaker bar or something, and you're gonna break it. Now you gotta do that for them top two. That bottom one, that one, brute strength. That's it, just brute strength. Alright, pretty much leave the O2 sensors on there. Oh yeah, you're gonna have to take off the heat shield too, also. It's a heat cover, 10 millimeters, take them off. The alternator bracket bolts was 15 millimeter. The two back here on the core pack was 1/2 inch. The two up here was 10 millimeters. Move the battery, take the battery out the way, undo the wire harness. You can pull this out the way, help you get up in here better to get to the bell housing bolts. Number 10, take that off. That'll move all that back. So, pretty much on to the next part. Jack it up, put it in the air, drop the starter, hit the torque converter bolts, take off, unplug my sensors I got back here. It should be that one. Knock sensor. I want to say another crank sensor. I believe this one does have two. Which is that second one. That's the cam. That'll be the crank. Unplug them. If you got Freon inside of your AC, just drop the air compressor. 15 millimeter bolts. So 3 of them, they long as shit. Unplug them. It was like a oil sensor or something. Another type of sensor. Like I said, undo the throttle body. EGR, hold on before you hit the heater core hoses. You don't want to be laying all in type of fluid. do the throttle body, and then get ready and take it out. So on to the next part.